Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you what you can try doing in case your power locks are not working. This video applies to Dodge Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. The procedure I'm about to show you might help you in case you have a key fob and the vehicle is making the noises it's supposed to make, but the doors are not unlocking, or if nothing happens at all when you push the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob and the battery is good in it, or if this button on the left door is not working at all to lock and unlock all of the doors. There is a fuse box located under the front hood right here. To open it, you'll want to squeeze onto this clip here and this clip here at the same time, and then just lift the cover up. Okay, on the back side of the fuse box there is a small fuse diagram, and what you will do, you will just remove this 20 amp fuse right here, and that's the IOD fuse. And by removing this fuse, this will reset a couple of systems on your vehicle, and most likely your power locks will start working. Have this fuse unplugged for at least a minute or two and then just put it back in, and once you do that, test your power locks. Okay, and you can see now by pushing the lock and unlock button, the power locks are working even on the passenger doors and the rear doors as well. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.